Hi and welcome to session 1. This is week 2 of the Beat the Stress guided meditation series. This week you're going to deepen your awareness of stress and also learn a powerful method of relaxation using your breath. As you learnt in your group sessions, breathing is the bridge between mind and body and between the logical and emotional brain. The pattern, rhythm, and depth of your breathing is dependent on the emotional state of the brain. And when you have experienced stress for a long time, this changes the way you breathe. If you observe a baby breathing at rest, you'll notice that with each inhalation, the belly, the abdomen, goes outwards. And with each exhalation, the abdomen falls, relaxes. But observe most adults and you'll notice stress in the breathing. The muscles of the chest and upper back and neck also working so that there seems to be more movement in the chest than the abdomen. These muscles are called accessory muscles of respiration, and they're used only when the brain perceives a threat and switches to the fight or flight response, activating these additional muscles to increase oxygen to prepare for the threat. As long as this pattern of breath continues, the stress response in the body and brain persists. But if you learn to change the pattern back to the normal, relaxed breath, then stress leaves your body, brain, and mind. So in this series, you're going to learn yogic breathing along with mindfulness. And this is a powerful combination that will relax the breath, help you beat stress, and connect with relaxation. So let's begin today's session. Sitting down comfortably, take a few slow, deep breaths. Breathing in through the nose and out also through the nose. Breathe in completely and deeply, taking your time, and then let go of all the air, exhaling completely. Don't try to change anything, just breathe. And allowing your breathing to return to its natural rhythms. Gently close your eyes and experience the contact of body on chair. Mentally scan your body from head to toe and experience how your body feels right now. Just being aware and experiencing all the sensations. Bring your attention now to your breath. Allow your body to breathe in its own natural rhythms and experience the movements of the abdomen and the chest. Now gently place your right palm on your abdomen, around the navel area, and with each in-breath, allow the abdomen to raise the palm, and with each out-breath, allow the abdomen and the palm to fall. Experience the gentle warmth and weight of the palm as the abdomen rises and falls. Now allowing your arms to relax by the side of your body. Breathe in to the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. And breathe out to the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And take a few more breaths like that, counting to yourself. Breathing in to the count of 3, breathing out to the count of 4. Now breathing in to the count of 3 and breathing out to the count of 5. Counting to yourself. Breathing in 1, 2, 3 and breathing out 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And a few more breaths like that. Now breathe in to the count of 4 and breathe out to the count of 6. And continue breathing in that manner. Now see if you can extend your out-breath a bit more, breathing in to the count of 4 and breathing out to the count of 8. Not forcing the breath, gently inhaling and exhaling. moving your attention back to the contact of body on the chair or floor. Notice the contact of air on the skin. Notice any light shining through the eyelids, and slowly and gently open your eyes. Notice how you're feeling right now. Do you feel more relaxed? As you practice breathing with a longer exhalation, stress will leave you, and your brain, mind, and body will relax. Before your next session, every now and then, pay attention to the breath. You may notice how the body unconsciously holds on to the breath, prevents a full exhalation when you're stressed. And you may also notice how letting go of the breath helps you let go of stress. All these activities and techniques are coming together to help you beat stress and feel calm, peaceful, and relaxed. So have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you back for session 2.